You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this French cow's milk cheese from Burgundy? If you're looking at how to say more French food names and cheese names, absolutely stay tuned. Délice, délice, which means delight, so essentially a delicatessen, alright, or deli, you could say. De meaning from. Bourgogne, Bourgogne is how you say Burgundy in France, that's the name of the region. So overall, Délice de Bourgogne. If you cannot speak French very well, you can say it as Délice de Bourgogne, Délice de Bourgogne, or in French again, Délice de Bourgogne. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.